In this tutorial, I'm going to quickly show you how you can add a border around your videos in Adobe After Effects. So with your video inside of your composition in Adobe After Effects, first make sure you don't have it selected, and then select your rectangle tool here on top. Now we're going to make a rectangle around our video like this. Now with this rectangle selected in your properties window here, you can change the color, the stroke width and thickness if you want. And then you can also choose to have it rounded if you want to have a more rounded border around your videos. And now I can move around my video, but as you can see, my border doesn't move along with it. So if you want to be able to have these two together when you move it, just select both of them, right click, and then choose pre-compose, make a pre-composition. And now when you move it around, they move together, and you can also scale them up together like this. And if you want to adjust it, you can also double click the pre-composition, then you're inside of it, and now you can adjust the things you want to adjust separately. But that's how you can easily add a border around your videos in Adobe After Effects. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.